In this video, I will teach you how to run TikTok sales ad step by step. Log in your TikTok for business account. Open your ads manager, click on it. At the top here, you will see campaigns. Click on campaigns. You are going to see your campaign history here. At the top left hand corner, you will see this create button. Click on create. Now you need to select your advertising objective. For the purpose of this video, we are going to be using the sales objective, which is under conversion ad. So when you select sales, click on sales. At the right hand side here, you are going to see TikTok shop GMV max campaign, but we are going to be using website, so select website here. After that, scroll down. You are going to see campaign name. Just name it. So I will call it sales ad. Copy your campaign name. After copying the campaign name, scroll down. At the right hand side, you will see this continue button. Click on continue. Now you're at the ad group level. Edit this name, paste the same name you use for your campaign level, then scroll down. The next thing is optimization and bidding. For the conversion location, we are using website, so just click on website here, right? Scroll down, you will see goal. For goal, we are going to be selecting conversion as our goal. Then for data connection, select your pixel. I'm going to be using this pixel tutorial that I created. If you have not created TikTok pixel, after watching this video, go and watch this particular video. In this video, I show step by step how to create and install your pixel on Seller. While in this particular video, I explain how to set up your TikTok pixel on other websites. The link to those two videos will be at the description of this video. So after watching this one, go and watch that one. Now let's continue. For data connection, select the particular pixel you want to use. Then for optimization event, click on this drop down button here. For optimization events, on mine, purchase and view contents are active because those events are tested within the last 7 days. Now, I want to optimize for purchase. I want direct sales. So I will select purchase here. After selecting purchase as your optimization event, scroll down. You're going to see placement right here. There is automatic placement and select placement. Go with select placement. When you click on select placement, you will see TikTok, Global App Bundle, and Pango. Uncheck Global App Bundle and Pango, okay? Leave it only on TikTok. Let it run only on TikTok. Next thing is advanced settings. Click on advanced settings. If you want to allow users to download your video, leave this on, okay? But I don't want them to download my video, so I'll turn it off, okay? Because of a lot of persons who like stealing other people's creative to run their ad. So I will click on hide and the advanced settings is hidden. The next thing is targeting. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using broad targeting. Now scroll down. I will select demographics here. I'm running to Nigeria, so the location here is Nigeria. There's a drop down button here in case you are running to a different location. Select the particular location you want to target or the particular country you want to target. After that, scroll down. You are going to see age here. For age, I'm going to be setting 25 and above for this ad. 25 to 54 is what I will set for this ad. You can set yours depending on the age bracket that is suitable for your product. In my own case, it's 25 to 54. Then for gender, is both gender. I'll leave it at all. If your own is gender specific, then you can choose the gender, be it male or female. The next thing is languages. There's a drop down button here. I don't want all, so I'm going to be imputing English language. I'll check English right here. The next thing is spending power. Leave it at all. Scroll down. For include audience, I don't want to use any custom or lookalike audience, and I'm not excluding any too. Then for interest, I'm using broad. I'm not using interest-based targeting, so I will leave interest, okay? Next thing is device. For device model, I will leave it at all. You can select your device model depending on what you're promoting here, right? Scroll down. For connection type, I will select Wi-Fi. I will also select 4G and 5G. With this, I'm good to go. Then for carriers, I will leave it at all. And for device price, I will leave it at any price. Click here to save your audience so that you can use it next time as the ad converts. Scroll down. The next thing is budget. I will be using 10,000 naira for this sales campaign. If you don't have up to 10,000 naira, you can use the budget you have. After imputing your daily budget, scroll down the schedule. I will leave this ad to run continuously. I will turn it off when I want, so I will not set any end date here or end time. Okay. Now scroll down. The next thing is bidding. For optimization goal, I'm going for conversion, so I'll leave the optimization goal as conversion there. Then scroll down. This is target CPA. I will not input any value here. here. If you put value here, it means you are telling TikTok that this is the amount you can be able to pay per conversion. So if anything exceeds that, they will not show your ad to such audience because you didn't go for a higher bid. So I will just leave it like this and it will give me maximum conversion. Okay, then scroll down for attribution settings. I will leave it at 7 days. It's usually 7 days. Okay, scroll down, you will see continue button down below. Click on continue. We are now at the ad level. For the ad name, you can delete this one and name your ad. I'm calling it sales ad as I did. Then scroll down. After inputting your ad name, the next thing is ad details. Now pay attention, because you're using broad audience targeting, you must create an ad creative, that is video or image and text, that relates or resonates with your ideal audience. Okay, that's the way that broad targeting is going to work for you. Otherwise, to be showing your ad to a bunch of people that are not interested. Okay, so ensure that you spend time to create ad creative that resonates with your ideal audience. Right, click on this add videos or image to add your creative. If you want to upload, just select creative library and upload from here, or you click on TikTok post and upload if you have already posted it on your TikTok page. I want to use this particular video here, so I will click on this video. After selecting the video you want to use, there is a confirm button down below. Click on confirm. You can see the video has been added here. Then scroll down, you see call to action next. Now you need to select the suitable one. Click on this and you can remove the ones that are not suitable. Visit us today. No, I don't want that. Order now. I'm not selling a physical product. If you're selling a physical product, you can leave this one, order now. Then get started. No, I'm not selling something that has to do with that, so I don't want to get started. I'll remove this sign up. I can use learn more and I can also use interested. A lot of people like that word, interested, so I will use interested and learn more. These are the two call to action buttons that I will use. Then scroll down. For selling points, you can use the most suitable selling point here. Like my own case, I will use limited time offer, so I'll click on limited time offer and I will confirm it. That is going to be my selling point. It will show under the ad. Okay, scroll down. For destination, scroll down, you will see this place where they say enter your URL starting with this. Now if you're selling on seller, you just go to seller, go to your products, copy your products link from your website, be it seller or any website that you're using. Then go back to your TikTok ads manager, paste your product link here, just paste it right here. Okay, you can click on this preview to be sure that it is the exact product page or product link that you copied. Okay, then scroll down to the end and you will see this publish all button. Click on publish all to publish your ad. If you have any questions, just drop it at the comment section and I will reply to all your questions. Don't forget to like this video if you have not done that.